Well, we all know the impact of environmental degradation on our planet and the urgency required to take action to reverse the damage. Pakistan is actually one of the countries that is worst hit by the climate change, and as a responsible corporate citizen, we feel it's our obligation to take the lead. Net Zero is a great initiative in that it provides a structured platform for leading companies to come together for a mutual cause. The platform will benefit all of the stakeholders, allowing us to learn from the experts, share best practices, and if needed, have a strong voice in national policy making. Being a developing country, Pakistan has always had energy challenges, and due to climate change, water scarcity is also an issue for Pakistan. So for us, incorporating sustainability into our business practices is not only the right thing to do, but it also makes economic sense. Yunus was the first textile company in Pakistan to install water recycling plant, and today we are saving more than 200 million gallons of water annually. We conduct regular energy audits and water audits to ensure that there is no waste in our system, and through these audits, we have been able to reduce our overall consumptions by more than 10%. Continuous investment in energy efficient equipment ensures that we minimize our carbon footprint and maximize efficiency. This also helps us remain cost efficient as well. We are investing heavily in solar power for our own consumption, and we are also investing in renewable energy to provide power to the national grid, thereby offsetting our carbon footprint. You see, net zero is not a project, it's a dream of a better world for our next generation, a dream that's bigger than any individual company or even a nation, and this dream can only be achieved through determination and collaboration.